Yeah, he's doing the same thing I did.
Y'all got beautiful homes.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
And see, I used to do right face. I did a test on it. I said, I'm gonna test this thing out.
And I'm walking straight up in the air.
Straight up in the air.
I mean, literally straight up in the air.
And I'm walking right behind you. Yep, that's Steve. Yeah.
This is awesome.
Now,
I know the Lord
a
said
shot
that for a reason.
doesn't do that.
Just from the church you come to see.
Drugs don't do that.
Thanks.
It's the patch.
Professor Kane will probably get on this.
Because after I took the shot, my leg won't tingle no more. I'll tell you about, but my back was so tight, I still had to sit down.
Yeah.
My back is a little type of, it's loose now, and I can.
You relax. Yeah.
Oh, go ahead
There he go. There he go.
Oh yeah. Oh
We went
yeah.
for a walk. We hadn't walked our lap. I used to do
I know.
5 mile walk.
I'm on your testimony. I saw that.
Yeah. That's
That's
because
what I
of the
want to
patch.
do.
It brings you back to your life, man. It brings you back to your life. My blood pressure. I haven't taken the blood
I haven't stood
pressure.
up this long, and I don't know when.
Oh my
And
goodness.
how long I've been standing up? I know I've been standing up for over 5 minutes.
Uh-huh.
Over 5 minutes.
Yep.
Your heart rate's going to change too because your blood pressure readings. I want you to check it tonight.
Okay, I got a machine at home. Yeah, I check it in the morning.
Check it night. Check your You also do your
I think Jeff's wrong.
I don't have that.
Oh, you don't have that. Don't worry about it. But keep an eye on that.
Okay.
But your heart rate, keep an eye on it. Check it. Because my blood pressure used to be 150, sometimes 170 over 80, some over 90, or 110. It's been recently, in the last since I've been patched, it's been dropped down to 90. This was taken with mother medication. It dropped 90 over 67,
Mm-hmm. Oh, well, one was 50 something.
over 57. My doctor took a look at my blood pressure reading and said, I don't know, he said, I'm going to ask you to stop taking your medication right now.
It was my idea.
Really?
Then I went to my surgeon.
Yeah, I took my blood pressure this morning to 121 over 80.
Oh, you good.
That's good.
You're good already.
Yeah, my blood pressure is always good. I take it in the morning.
There you go.
Yeah.
Now my blood pressure, I went to my surgeon, since post-surgery. He said, your blood pressure is, we need you continue what your doctor tell you. Don't take your medication. They both told me not to take my medication. Because if I did, if it drops below 90, then I'm going to go into coma. And told me to stop doing it. I stopped taking my blood pressure medication. My blood pressure being like 117, 118 over 80, let's say 122 or 125 at the highest. Without medication. Because if I did, it would drop me about 30 and I'll go into coma. I don't want to do that. And when your doctor tells you to stop, you tend to believe that's a good thing.
That's right.
Yeah, I got hypertension and high blood pressure and angina for the last 25 plus years. Yeah, and it runs in my family too. Patch?
And by the way, a Christian is
I
not
took-
out of the game.
The doctor, you let your doctor tell you that if you see your blood pressure low, say, hey doc, what do I need to do? My blood pressure reading is this. Can I come in? Can I come in and have somebody see me to evaluate? Get a clinician to look at you. And they say, they confirm your reading, they're gonna tell you, stop taking this, stop taking that. So that's going to patch.
I can't really sit there and have a conversation.
You having a conversation?
The stands
Been
there.
over
Hey, look how long he been standing.
almost
No.
almost 4 minutes.
You ain't passed out, your knees ain't gave out, and you ain't having some issues yet?
Thanks, Evan. I'll talk to you later.
4 minutes.
It's been 4 minutes, right?
Mm-hmm.
I got a little burn on this side, but other than that, I can stand it.
That's okay. You're getting stronger. It's muscle.
Yeah.
That's muscle. I can't even move him. I try to move him. I try to lift him up. He won't move.
It's a blessing.
Yes.
That's what you want.
Yeah.
You want your vitality back. You good?